There are many animals in the zoo. The elephant is big. The giraffe is tall. The crocodile is scary. The lion is fierce. The python is dangerous. The rabbit is jumpy. The monkey is naughty.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.